Welcome to my Sitecore Diaries, your ultimate guide to digital experience excellence, your go-to channel for all the things in Sitecore and .NET. So right now, when I am recording this video, Sitecore is hosting a big event in US Nashville, and 16th October 2024, they have announced a new product called Sitecore Stream. And last few days, all the Sitecore community, this talking point is a Sitecore Stream. And today we are also going to talk about Sitecore Stream. I'm your host, Jitendra Khanekar. I'm an Sitecore Technology MVP 2024. And you're watching my Sitecore Diaries. So let's jump into the presentation mode. What it is all about. It is all about a word called generative AI. It's currently a buzzword in the market. Wherever you will go, you will find this word generative AI. So what is generative AI? Generative AI refers to AI. AI stands for artificial intelligence system capable of creating new content such as text, image, audio, and even the code. So creating a new unique content, text, image, audio, or even a code by using some model, some algorithm, it's called as a generative AI. So what are the most used generative AI APIs? So there are many APIs, but three most used API. One first is the OpenAI. Then you have a Microsoft Azure OpenAI service. So Microsoft Azure OpenAI. And then we have a API from the Google Cloud AI. So these are the three most used APIs. So what is Sitecore is using? Let's see what is Sitecore Stream. Now I am quoting from Sitecore. So this is what Sitecore is saying. Sitecore Stream is a collection of a secure, brand-aware AI capabilities designed for marketers. So there are two things in this line. First is this is the product for the marketers, and second thing is it has a capability, the AI capability, which knows what is your brand what you say, theme, color, content, everything. It is aware of that. So it's a brand aware AI capability designed for marketers, enabling smarter, quicker end-to-end content creation and delivery at scale with huge productivity gain. So you will get a huge productivity gain. It enhances your marketing effectiveness through AI powered workflows. So it has AI powered workflows, generative co-pilots, and brand consistency, allowing you to achieve faster time to market, reduce the cost, and deliver impactful digital experience across the channel. So advantages: your faster time to market, reduces the cost, and deliver impactful digital experience. And DX, a good DX it is providing. So first thing is the digital experience platform product built with a Microsoft Azure OpenAI service. So we have seen a different AI service, right? OpenAI, you have Google Cloud AI. So Sitecore Stream is using Microsoft Azure OpenAI. Auto-scalable, personalized digital experience and fast, secure content delivery across digital channels. It's a model tailored for each customer, trained to understand their brand using their data. This is very important. So this is the model, the AI model is developed such that each customer for each customer, it is trained to use their data to create a new content. So now what does it includes? First, it is include brand aware AI. So it's aligned with the organization brand identity, values, and guidelines. So whenever you will be creating the Sitecore content, then it is aligned to your brand. AI enhanced workflow. It's automate the repetitive tasks, making workflow smoother and reducing the manual work. So it is helping you to create an automated repetitive task, okay, with a smoother workflows, okay, that will reduce the manual work. So it means your productivity will increase. And then generative co-pilots. So streamline brand governance, content creation, briefs and digital experience. So it will have a streamlined brand governance, you have a content creation, briefs and digital experience. So on these three things is the Sitecore stream is built up. So this is the first step, just an introduction of a Sitecore stream. We can have the more videos once we know how it works, when once we have a few more details from the Sitecore. So this is what introduction of a Sitecore stream. As per Sitecore documentation, that Sitecore has already implemented this with the Nestle brand. So as we will utilize this more, then we will have a more and more videos as we understand how it works and what are its features. Then we will have a more videos on it. For today, I'm stopping here. If you like this video, please click on the like button. Do share this video with your friends and colleagues. Till now, if you are not subscribed to the channel, please do consider subscribing to the channel and click on the notification bell to get latest update. You can also join our channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching.